Hello and welcome back to Shop Skills Garage, the place to come for the budget DIYer, where I'm going to be changing out my headlights. These headlights have worked pretty good, you know, Amazon specials. But this one here, that has gone out, this one's starting to go out, and the control box has gone out completely. So while we were down at Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam, I saw a set in a parking lot that I liked. I asked the guy where he got it from, and he said Redeemed LED, which actually happened to have a booth set up at the Myrtle Beach Jeep Jam. So I went back, I bought a set of these lights, I got them home, I put them on my bench here with my 12 volt tester, and one of them did have a little issue, but I contacted Kyle, the owner, and he immediately sent me replacements for what I needed, so A+ on the customer service there. So today, this is what I'm going to be installing. These are the Cyclops. The whole outer ring, including the 4 little ticks on each side, light up. You know, it's just one color, RGB. I mean, you can change the colors, but it's only one color at a time. And the center here, the Cyclops ring, is a daytime running light or a turn signal, and a turn signal. You wire them both up. That one is the one that had a little issue, but as you can see, he sent me right out another one. So I'm going to get this tore apart and let's get some new lights installed. All right, I've been working on these for a while now, mostly just wire pulling. I didn't keep the video running the whole time because let's face it, pulling wire is kind of boring. But yeah, so what I have done here is I've already got that one back together. Over here, this is the daytime running light. Comes across through some flex, tied into this one, comes around, and I actually put it on my S-Pod on this channel here. And the reason I did that is with the S-Pod, you can have input triggers. I'm going to put an input trigger on this channel so that when I put the Jeep in the run position, it'll tell that channel to turn on. That way, if I am wanting to run my colors, I can actually reach up on my control panel and turn the daytime running lights off. That way I'll have nothing but the color ring, and it won't be washed out by the white of the daytime running light, which is the Cyclops ring here. Over here we have the turn signal. Turn signal runs down and actually hits the turn signal. It's convenient. It was like right there. So I'll end up getting this put in some loom and get it back in, and I'll be back and show you what it looks like after it's all put back together. Oh, all right. So here they are installed. The Jeep's back together. I think they look pretty good. Kind of different. I hadn't really seen a whole lot of Jeeps with the Cyclops look to them. So let's see what they look like. First of all, let's see what some headlights look like. Okay, I think that's low beam. High beam, or high beam. Should have some daytime running lights going. Pretty cool. And the reason I wanted to put my daytime running lights on a separate switch so I can just turn them off. At nighttime, I think that I say at nighttime, I just feel like that that white would probably wash out the color So, no, we'll get rid of those. So let's see here what we got. Alright, let's check out some different colors. There's the app, pretty standard for a LED app. Let's see here. Style. I don't know if any of these will work or not. Yeah, well, it looks like the different modes are kind of limited, but I don't use those anyway. I'm more of a solid color type of guy, and anyway, I think I like it. A little different looking. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll show you something different on the next one. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my install video here of these redeemed LED Cyclops headlights, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.